Hello, guys. Yes. Hello, guys. This is David Paxton. Just wanted to go over here real quick what you can expect and see inside Epic University. Once you join, just get a lot of questions from people sit there and say they've never traded before and they're clueless on where to start and what everything is offered here and how you start. So once you join and you come in, you're going to come into your uh, Epic University screen. You're going to sit there and see your download for your 2-week syllabus. That's where you're going to want to get started. So just double click that, and you're gonna see a little bit about Epic. Disclaimer before you enter the market. We want to jump down here to week 1. And you've got your different classes here, as you see with Coach Max, who's an awesome educator. You're going to get your welcome university from her, your mental psychology, how you want to approach the markets and go from there. You're going to have an intro to Forex, your master class. You're going to have a class on basic terms. So you can just click on all of those. You'll see what the time frame is involved. One of the first things you're going to want to do, as it says here, is create your TradingView account. There's a lot of classes in here on how to use TradingView, whatnot. You can start with a paid account or the free version. The free version for now is more than adequate. You're going to want to also join the Telegram. Once you get in there, you're going to have 3 or 4 different separate Telegram groups that you can join. One Telegram is going to be for receiving your signals. Another one is going to be for business building. And then there's just another one for the main Epic Telegram group that's going to sit there and be a place you can go and have your questions answered and what have you. Then you're going to come into day 2 is going to be official pairs, your currency breakdowns, exactly what are you trading, lot sizes and leverage. People worry about the risk. Yes, there's risk involved, but if you keep the risk in control, like we suggest here, never taking a trade more than 2 or 3% of your total account, you're really keeping risk under control. No more risk with this than there would be with anything else. For people beginning the first day, never traded before, we recommend just picking 3 pairs, whichever 3 pairs those may be. And you want to just become an expert on those 3 pairs. Once you become comfortable with trading and using those 3 pairs, then you can broaden out and start trading more. Day 3, you got your trading styles. Trading styles is just some people scalp. They're in and out of the market in 10 or 15 minutes. Some people do hourly trades. Some people in trades for days on time at a time. So it's just a matter of what you like. Market hours, the market's open 24/7. Opens up Sunday night, depending on what your time zone is. It's open 24/7 until Friday evening. Again, just depending on what time your time zone is. You'll come into spreads and margins and your leverage, what broker you're going to want to use. Then they're going to set up your MT4. Your MT4 is going to be your major trading platform, especially if you're using your smartphone. So we've got a class here for your iPhone or your Android. They're also going to put it on your desktop. But then the big one here, importance of a demo account. If you're brand spanking new to any type of trading, especially Forex, we highly recommend that you do your demo trades for a lot of reasons. Just learn how to input a trade on your phone with MT4. You don't want to accidentally enter a long when you should have been doing a short. And if long and short is a new term for you as far as this goes, that's covered again in these classes. But just use your demo account to get really comfortable on placing a trade. When you get comfortable with your phone, placing a trade once the signal comes across. It shouldn't take you more than 15 seconds to enter that trade. So not a lot of time requirement. There you got your different order types, buying and selling. You can go long, you can go short. They'll cover that. Again, a very good trading tutorial on your trading view. What is support and resistance, key levels. So they're going to just walk you through this step by step, and just really going to help you go from no experience whatsoever and get you up to speed and really feeling comfortable. Introduction here to candlesticks, bearish and bullish engulfing patterns. These are just types of patterns that you're going to be looking for as you become more comfortable. It's not something you're going to be doing, from day one. Chart patterns, importance of news. News can really influence the market. It can take a really wonderful trade and turn it into a losing trade quick. Then risk management, risk to reward. Risk to reward, we recommend, like I said earlier, we never take more than 3% of a trade into our balance of our account. And we want to get at least 2 times that risk back, preferably 3 times or better. So if you're risking $100 on a trade, you should be looking at making 200 to 300, if not more. Importance of using a trailing stop. And then they're just going to do some of your commitments to that. These are your majors that you were going to trade. We recommend that you just focus on those at the beginning. You have 3 trading sessions. You have your New York session, and you'll see the 7, 8 pairs here on the left. You can trade these pairs anytime, but they tend to have the most movement during that 8 to 5 New York session. Again, that's Eastern time. You'll see quite a few more pairs here in the middle. That's your Asian or Tokyo session. You'll see the times there, Eastern. A lot more pairs that are open there just because they're straddling different parts of the world where they're open. And then also your London with that. Again, those are going to be covered in detail through these classes, so not something you need to become an expert with. Like anything, it seems daunting at first. You started riding a bike, that was scary. You started mountain climbing, that was scary. But you eventually figure things out. And as you did, you become more comfortable with that. So don't expect too much. Learn to walk before you run, and you're going to do great. Thing to remember is we got a great group of people here, wonderful team at D-Trade, and any of your questions, just put it out there. We're more than happy to help you. Just let us know. That's it for now. We'll do another one on another separate training group, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.